So I've got 4 children. My oldest daughter, she's 30. She's got 9 children. My second son, he's 29. He's got 4, but he's also in the Pūrero among the mob. My 22-year-old son, he's in the military in Christchurch. He's a riflesman. And my 20-year-old, he lives with his partner and her parents in Titahi Bay. I've been raising my grandchildren for 6 of them for the last 2 years. Then they got uplifted. Before that, I was looking after my grandson. I stopped work. I've been out of work for a long time. I was self-employed. I didn't know I was going to be, looking after children again. My experience with the Oranga Tamariki uplifting my grandchildren was like getting stabbed in the heart with a stick, because I did all this hard work to get help from Oranga Tamariki, because when I had them for the 2 years at the beginning, the whole year they had no benefit. So I had to come to Ripu Awhina to get them to help me, get birth certificates and get food. I was getting food parcels, lots. It took like a whole year to get their benefit. Not only that, the children were going through asthma, skin infections, they caught scabies, all in that 1 year. Then they came back and saying, what have you been doing, Maggie? How have you been coping with these kids? Do you drink? Because it says I have a couple glasses a week. Another one on their piece of paper, went away. They came back with an uplift. I couldn't eat, I was crying. I went into depression because I worked hard and it was not fair for them to just come in and uplift them after all the work I did for my grandchildren. And all I had asked of them if they could help me with respite, because I was looking after them for 24/7 and I just burnt out because I'm a single grandmother. And they were saying that when the kids had skin infections, that my house was dirty, the kids were always in dirty clothes and all that stuff. So they said the drinking and the domestic violence, they put it as that we neglected the children. And what I was trying to say to Oranga Tamariki and to my lawyer, all I asked for was respite. The kids, I would have been on top of things. To this day, I think, I've still got the same lawyer, but I'm thinking like, I've done all this work and I think I haven't been treated fairly from the lawyer, and definitely not fairly treated by Oranga Tamariki. I had to eventually get off those pills that make you sleep, because 3 months later I got 3 of the older grandchildren back. So I had to stop taking that because it makes me sleep. I had to be there for the 3 older ones. I was over the moon when I got them back. I started to eat and get myself back together, because I did all they asked, all the time. I did everything to get my children back, but they wouldn't give the other 3 back. My experience, they did not give me that chance. They just one time uplifted the children. All I wanted was help, but they looked at me and said, she's not struggling. She's not coping, she's struggling. We need to uplift these children. I asked them for so much help. The more I asked, the more it made it bad for me. And that's my experience with Oranga Tamariki. Just don't give up. For me, I had to be persistent. I can do it. That's all that was going through my, I can do it. Sitting on the couch won't get you anywhere. You just have to get off that couch and do it. Get support. That's what I did. I got lots of support. I got up, out of the house, out, on the phone, you know, I did everything. And I never gave up. I was always persistent. And I'm still persistent, and I'm still going hard for my grandchildren and for my whānau. Because at the end of the day, it's about who we are, and how we live is our rights.